Okay, for e-learning, um, three of you are going to be doing the same thing, digital apps, web design, and computer science. I'm going to be working in the code.org units 4 through 6 over the rest of this grading period and the next grading period. Um, Unit 4 is creating apps, and then up through Unit 6 is programming circuit boards, so doing physical computing. And so I have to have Unit 6 started by all students this month, but you can't do Unit 6 on your devices. And I've mentioned this to you in class because after lesson 1 and 2 and 3.3 down here, you have to be able to install the Circuit Playground on your device. So we'll be using, I have two classroom computers, mine and one extra that will be used for those specific playgrounds. So your e-learning for December 7th is to start lesson 1, innovations in computing, and number 2, designing screens with code. And it's like an app screen, because when you get down here to the Circuit Playground, you're going to be creating an app screen that certain clicks on the screen will make the circuit board do certain things. So, and then we'll back up later after the first year and go back into Unit 4 and work on creating apps as well. So this is your e-learning for this Saturday, is Unit 6, Lessons 1 and 2. This one isn't very long. It should take you about 15, maybe 20 minutes to do both of them. So have a good weekend.